Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the Harmony 1 coin price, and Harmony 1 holders doing a big mistake at this time friends, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. In this video we are also talking about the price of the Harmony and the price change occur in the Harmony, what's going at this time in the Harmony. I will show you in the market. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Let's talk about the price of the Harmony 1 coin. At this time price of the Harmony as 0.14339 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Harmony. And friends, if we look the price change occur in the Harmony, so as you can see here, Harmony is going to the moon at this time friends. I'm very happy to see this kind of change. The last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week change is also positive friends. Let's see the price chart for more details. Oh my god, yeah, Harmony when is going to the moon in this time. Absolutely a high jump occur in the Harmony 1 coin. That's a massive jump. Congratulations to all Harmony 1 holders friends at this time friends. But friends, don't do this mistake at this time friends. When I know that the Harmony 1 coin also falls down for a later time in the future friends, so please don't do this mistake. Don't sell Harmony at this time friends. Don't do this mistake. Once again I'm telling you that don't sell Harmony. It's time to hold because it's just the beginning of Harmony 1 coin. This jump is just the beginning. The big pump is coming soon friends. Wait for it. Now if we talk about the price change occur in the Harmony, positive 14.04% change occur in the Harmony, and the last 1 day the highest price of the one as 0.143604 USD dollar is the highest price of the Harmony coin friends. What's your prediction about Harmony coin? My prediction is very positive. I think that there is a 90% chances today take a high jump in the future friends, and only the 10% chances today fast down in the future. So please don't do this mistake and don't sell Harmony 1 coin. It's time to hold. I hope that Harmony make you millionaire. I hope that they will give you good amount of profit in the future. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.